Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, The Langue-lit World. Friends, in today's video, I'm going to talk about RP and the 44 speech sounds used in the English language. Friends, we are human beings. We communicate in the English language. Good and accurate pronunciation is very essential when we speak in that language. And that is why so many people use standard pronunciations. They try to follow British people. You know what RP is? RP is received pronunciation. It is also known as standard pronunciation. Received pronunciation is the accent that is regarded to be the standard for British English. Received pronunciation is related to pronunciation. It is used in England. It is used in the Oxford University also, and so it is also known as Oxford pronunciation. It is also known as posh pronunciation in Britain. This type of pronunciation is used outside England also. This is used by non-native speakers, teachers, students, learners, and lexicographers in their language because it is pronunciation that makes the people's language stylish and standard. Recently, it's also been claimed that digital assistants like Google Assistant, Siri, and Amazon Alexa use RP in their spoken versions. By the time we use the English language in the written form, we use letters. English language has 26 letters, 21 consonants, and 5 vowels, A to Z. But what about spoken communication? When we talk about spoken communication, we have 44 speech sounds. We use the 44 speech sounds. The 44 speech sounds are divided into two parts: consonant sounds and vowel sounds. Consonant sounds are 24 and the vowel sounds are 20. Let us see the 24 consonants first. The 24 consonants sounds include P, B, T, D, K, G, P, V, T, D, S, Sh, Ch, Z, Z, J, Y, R, L, V, M, N, N. Now, let us see the 20 vowels. I mean to say 20 vowel sounds in the English language. The 20 vowels are divided into two parts: monophthongs and diphthongs. Let us see monophthongs first. Monophthongs are pure vowels. They are 12 in number. Let us see them first. Long E, short E. Long U, short U. O, or. A, R, weak strong After knowing monophthongs, let us know diphthongs. Diphthongs are 8 in number. They are known as impure vowels. Let us know them. A, I, E, U, O, ow. In this way, we have studied the 44 speech sounds in the English language. Now let us see how to use all the 44 speech sounds practically in the English language. Let us start with the consonant sounds. P, pen, paper. B, bank, beach. T, tin, teacher. D, dog, God. K, cat. got. G, game, God. P, faith, full. V, van, vine. T, Thames, thanks. The, then, these. Ch, church, cheap. Z, zebra, zone. Z, jam, gym. J, major, pleasure. H, hat, hen. Host. R, wrong, rest. L, love, bold. W, wine, wife. M, man, woman. N, nose, night. King, kingdom. Sing, singing. S, sit, sight, string. Sh, shout, shame. Y, yes, young. Friends, after this, we will know the vowel sounds, which are divided into two parts, monophthongs and diphthongs. Let us see the use of monophthongs first. Long E, sleep. Short E, sip, slip. Long U, super. Short U, book, took. A, but, caught, taught. R, door, floor. A, set, net. A, sat, cat, mat. Burden, certain, curtain. A, start, cart. Weak, simple, twinkle, dimple. Strong, but, shut, cut. After this, we will see the 8 diphthongs. The 8 diphthongs include A, said, made. I, side, tied. I, toy, boy. Ear, here, tear. Poor. Oh, told, bold, cold. Ow, now, brown. Ear, here, there. Friends, I cleared all the things. I hope you understood everything told by me. Thanks for watching my video.